Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we are opening Ipsy X. So you guys voted in the poll today and Ipsy X was winning last time I checked. So thank you for everyone that participated in helping me choose what to film tonight. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them about 5 days a week here on this channel, so if you love them too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribe. It means so much to me, but no pressure. I'm just so grateful you're all here. And thank you for everyone that's been around. I love you guys. Hope you're well. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. But let's get back to Ipsy. So this is their quarterly box, and every season they have a creator or influencer help them curate the box. And this month or this season is with Huda Beauty. So I did try a couple of the items. This box comes out to be about $50 total. Give or take. I think it's a few dollars more than that. I can link that down below. I'll also link Ipsy down below. I do pay for Ipsy X myself. I actually pay for all 3 of the Ipsy subscriptions myself, but I also get the Ipsy regular bag and the Plus NPR. So I posted those videos already. If you guys want to check them out, I can link them down below. But yeah, let's get started. So open it up. There's always this like little magazine thing. So this is different than the other Ipsy subscriptions. It's like a little newspaper. It's really cute. So they'll have like a little interview with Huda and talk about the items that come inside, how to use them. She's so gorgeous, by the way. So let's just start. So the first thing here is by PMD Clean. And by the way, if you hear anything in the background, it's my cat inside a box, living her best life. So we're just gonna let her do that. So this is a cleansing tool. I've had one of these before, and I am just not one to reach for like cleansing tools or facial tools or devices. So I am gonna pass this one on just because I know someone else will get so much better use out of it. And these are expensive. These are like $99. I love the color I got though, this orange color. So you can use this to like massage in serums. It has soft silicone bristles. It's waterproof, ergonomic design, easy AA battery. So it has 7,000 vibrations per minute. So it removes the skin's impurities by breaking down dirt and oil from within the pores. So yeah, I've heard great things. It's just not something I know I will use, like unless I change drastically, but I don't count on that. And I have other tools already opened. So I'm definitely gonna share this with someone else. And then we have a skincare item here. This is actually a brand by Huda, Wishful, and this is their Thirst Trap Juice. Thirst Trap. This is a hyaluronic acid and peptide serum. So I am trying not to open any new skincare at the moment, so I didn't try this today. It's gentle, simple, and effective, suitable for all skin types, and it's good for hydration, soothing, luminous glow, and it firms and tightens. So this sounds awesome. So you guys, if you've tried anything that I'm opening today, or you got this same box, well, first of all, did you get any different items? I know there's some variation. Also, if you try anything, let us know how they worked for you, since I can't speak for a lot of the items yet. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, look, it's kind of like holographic or something. Do you guys see that? Cool. I really like how it looks. So it has one of those like press down pump tops. I bet there's a better way to describe that. But nice. I think that's cool that they included her other brands too. So they did include her makeup brand, and I really do love her 9-pan palettes, and I was really torn about whether or not I wanted to try this today, but I did. I have it on my eyes, and this is the Khaki palette, the Khaki Haze Obsessions. So I think this is one of her newer palettes, like not super new, but this is what it looks like. So earlier today with my phone, I did take a quick little video of the swatches I did. When I first looked at this, I thought it was maybe too dark for me and I wouldn't reach for it, but a lot of the like shimmer shades are actually like glitter toppers. This is the one I have all over my lids though. I think it's really pretty, and I think the mattes work really well. I just really like Huda's formula, and this Scorpio season, I've just been like about decluttering, like, so first I was like, I don't know if I want to try it, but I wanted to tell you guys what I thought, and also I was just really tempted, and I really do like this. I think the color is really pretty, looks good in my eyes, and it wasn't like too dark. I used the whole bottom row right here and then the shade. So, oh, and I use this matte as well. So I didn't use the darkest shades, but you'll see in the swatch that they're not overwhelming. Like they're buildable, blendable. They're like her normal formula, which I really like. So I am really grateful that this was in the box. I'm so happy. Like a Huda box without one of her palettes, I feel like I just would be missing out. So I'm super happy about that. And then I tried her concealer. So I love getting complexion products, and this is the Overachiever concealer, and I got it in the shade Marshmallow. And I've heard that her like foundation is like super full coverage, like it's really great if that's what you're going after. I'm not like all about that, but this actually, I was worried this would be like too thick or too much under my eyes, but I think it did a good job. So here, let me do a swatch. So I don't love the applicator because I usually like to put it on my hand, but it's not bad. So it actually maybe could help if you have some puffy issues, which I do. It's like a little bit cooling since it has that metal touch, but I think the shade match was good. It's just a little bit lighter than my normal shade, so it has good coverage, but it wasn't too thick. I didn't notice any like getting in my lines. Like it does no matter what. Like if you have fine lines in your eyes, like they're there, you know. You can't do too much about it, but I like to use concealers to like brighten up under my eyes, and I think this did a good job, and I'm excited to use it some more. And I think that was everything for the Huda products. And I tried one other product, so Complex Culture. This brand is actually owned by Ipsy, and I first fell in love with this brand through their brushes, so I was excited to get some. I tried one of them. It's All the Angles, 2 brushes, exclusive luxe vegan bristles, and 100% biodegradable handles, so I love that. So this other one's not coming out. So the one I use is just like their powder brush, I think. What does it say? Yeah, petite powder. So I always love the look. It's really sleek. It does feel really luxe. I love that they're biodegradable, so I just use this to put some powder under my eyes and on my face where I needed it. And then the other brush that comes in this set is the Precision Concealer brush, and I did not use this. Even though I got concealer, I could have, but I just used my sponge. So I'll have to try this out, but this is unique. Look, I have like a bigger like foundation brush in this shape from them, which I really like. I haven't used in a while because I desperately need to clean my brushes. So I'm excited to try this out. I love their brushes, so I was definitely excited to get this in here. And then we still have 3 items to go, you guys. I like getting these bigger boxes, they're so fun. So this is by Stila. I've not tried this product before, but one of my favorite body lotions is from this brand. This is their Glacier Clay Mask. So yeah, it's a face mask. It's supposed to, well, the glacial oceanic clay is from a source unique to the BC coast of Canada. This clay mask exfoliates and deep cleanses, revealing softened, toned, and radiant skin. Nice. And we have something by Rare Beauty. I was going to use this today, but I have so many things open, I didn't want to open it yet, but I love that it's called With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. So here's the packaging, and I feel like I have other product, like a little lipstick by Rare Beauty that also has similar packaging. So this is a hydrating, fuss-free balm that adds a hint of Just Kiss color and soft shine, and this is in the shade Honor. Is that right? Yeah. And it just looks like clear to me. Oh hell, I'll keep this because this is something I'd use. Let's see. Yeah, it just looks dewy to me. Maybe I'll have a little color when I use it, but not much. And I'm all about lip balms and stuff like this, so this is definitely something I will get use out of. And then last but not least, we have a hair product by R&Co, and this is their Velvet Curtain Cotton Touch Texture Balm. And this is supposed to be a dry styler that adds soft volume, light hold for all hair types, boasting a modern matte effect to instantly smooths and envelopes strands for a piecey, effortlessly second day hair look. Nice. I'll have to try this. I want to start using more hair products. My hair's kind of wet right now, or else I'd use it. I just washed it, and the sun's going down so damn early. So I'm like, damn, I need to film soon before it gets too dark in here. But I want to start doing my hair more and using products to keep it healthier, especially since I am dyeing it now. I'm just loving being a redhead, so I think I'm going to keep that up. I know dyeing it often, can have some effects, and I just want to style it more, so that inspires me. But you guys, overall, I think this was a really good good box. It's well-rounded with the type of items we got inside: makeup, beauty tools, skincare, hair care, and I think it was definitely worth it. But I would love to know your thoughts down below. Did you guys get this? Did you get the same items or different? Are you happy with it? Are you not? Even if you didn't get it, what do you think about it? Leave your comments down below. And if you guys have not yet entered the November giveaway, I'll link that video down below for all my subscribers. Please check it out. There are 4 winners this month, so I really want to give back to you guys because you guys are the greatest. I'm so grateful for you each and every day. I hope you guys are all well. I hope you're handling this full moon eclipse okay. Yeah, I can't wait to chat with you guys. Have a great weekend. I love you so much, and I will see you super soon. Bye.